Precious, luxurious, illuminating. Arbonne proudly introduces the future of skincare, our new intelligence-nourishing facial oil. This precious oil contains only what's needed most, like nourishing botanicals and extracts that provide superior hydration and moisture. Olive squalene with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, plus a super antioxidant to support luminous-looking skin. So capture this smooth, silky oil for yourself. It easily absorbs into all skin types to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Arbonne Intelligence Nourishing Facial Oil, the new face of a more radiant future.